Welcome to our lesson on a day in the life of a data scientist. We'll explore the daily tasks and responsibilities that define this exciting career. Mornings typically begin with checking emails and attending daily stand-up meetings. This ensures that data scientists are aligned with their team's goals and priorities. After meetings, data scientists dive into data exploration. This involves analyzing datasets to identify trends and insights that inform decision-making. Data cleaning is a critical step in a data scientist's day. They identify issues and transform raw data to prepare it for analysis. Model building is where data scientists select algorithms and train models. This process is essential for generating accurate predictions from data. This quote highlights the importance of data in today's world. Data scientists play a crucial role in extracting value from data. In the afternoon, data scientists collaborate with teams and iterate on their models. This teamwork ensures that insights are well-informed and actionable. Visualizing data is another important task. Data scientists create visuals to present their findings and share insights with stakeholders. As the day wraps up, data scientists review their work and plan for tomorrow. This reflection helps them continuously improve their processes. Today, we explored the daily life of a data scientist. From morning routines to model building, each task plays a vital role in data science. This quote emphasizes the proactive nature of data science. Data scientists not only analyze data, but also shape future outcomes. Thank you for joining this lesson on a day in the life of a data scientist. We hope you gained valuable insights into this dynamic field.